Now I'm using this little vehicle bit to make sure that I've been like really clean them all. They're already really clean and nice, but then now I'm using this to make even like go into the smaller edges and to clean them. And everybody have a lot of different cool techniques. This is one of the techniques I would love to share. Hi, which hand do you like to do more on your doing now is your non-dominant hand? Yes. So this is my non-dominant hand, super cute bling nails. I just did this one earlier. It doesn't take me long because it's only do a fill, so it doesn't take long. But when you're doing a new set, then it takes me a little bit longer because usually I do not do this hand first. This is my non-dominant hand, so I'll do this my dominant hand first. So I do the difficult and the hard one first. So this, I have a clear powders with me right here. So let's see, I can move it. When you do a fill, you don't need a whole lot of powder. And this is one of the primers I'm using, but if you have others ones, I heard a lot of them is really good ones as well. Is OPI has it, Young Nails has it. They're all really good primer. So just apply it right where your natural nails is. Avoiding your skin. Hopefully you can see me doing it right here. Great. Hi Bella. I love doing my own nails. So yes, me too. All right, so let me see the question right here. I find always I get this and think is due also, but it's stress on them due to growing out unbalance. I try to catch up with your ladies' conversation. I keep like missing it. All right, so you just guide me from now. So I'm in the whatever it is. Okay, so I have my 12, number 12 is a acrylic brush. And see if I can using some others. Bottle. Okay, now we're seeing a good view right here. Great. Dip in the monomer, and you just need this really smaller portion of acrylic. Oh, I have a little bit fur right there. Just want to make sure that they're same just get a smaller portion and pick your bead, the smaller beads, and you gonna do it like closer to the cuticles, but it's just like a hair away, so you can just a little bit gently push it up or move it up. Just want to make sure that, usually I'm look at my nails like all different angle to make sure that all structures looks good. If I need to get any of the part that missing, or even like sometime if I accident like 5 overhanded, you can always like get that touch up. Just a small portion, that's all you need, because you just do a feel for the nails. So I'm using it just closer to the cuticles, and it's still wet. You just guide it down. I really want to see you ladies getting your nails done. You see me do quite a few times. I want to see all of you doing your nails. I was asking Sarah all the time, and she's not doing it for us. So I'm gonna look at that side, make sure I got everything I need to cover, because this was under camera, so I can't see on this angle right there. Can you see it? Yeah? Okay. This is the pinky. Just a small portion. Chantella, you can do it many times. Well, okay, here's that, put it this way. If you have a clients that come to you all the time, and you are the one taking care of your clients, and you take good care of her nails, and you know what the products you're using it. We do not work on others' nail techs. No offense on other nail tech, but just because we don't know what products to work with the clients or what products is other nail tech using, so we can't guarantee the work is gonna be, or the products is gonna be doing it properly. So it's no offense. We don't work on other. But then if you take care of your clients, you can do it many times. But if your clients using, like me, I'm using clear, so I can do feel. This is a second time I think. But if I do color acrylics, I would like really, basically is remove the colors and then put the different colors on it. You don't like feel over, because you can't do, like for instance, if you're doing the red colors, color acrylics, when the clients come in, they want a different colors. It's not considered as a feel anymore. It's considered as a new set, because you basically have to fire them all the way down or soak them off in order for you to do a different colors. I think it looks good. So try to avoid in the cuticles. You don't want to get it all in the cuticles. And yep, Chantella, you can do so many times. It's like, unless the clients have a color acrylics, and yes, you can't do a feel on the color acrylics. Even for me, I think evens is the same colors. So I'm gonna wipe and clean my brush to release all that powder before I close everything and start shaping my nails. Look excited. Here we go. Let's move this away. It's really quick, easy, simple for all of you who are doing a feel or start beginners when you start doing the client's nails. And the prep step is important. This one there. Now is shaping part. Tina, I really want to see Tina doing her nails as well. It's only things I do not care much for it is this growing out nails. I always cut my nails shorter. Sometimes I don't wear the tips. I just let it grow and then nails underneath. So it's really a preference, like really a personal preference. Some clients love their own nails underneath and they would wear overlay. Great, beautiful, but I just don't want it growing like this. So I'm so glad. So I want to do this design. So you can't really tell, but every time I go underneath, I can start seeing my nails. It's really nice and strong and healthy, but I do not care for it. But I don't know. It's like I used to be before. It's like really want to grow my nails out, which is growing really fast. You can see that how fast it's grow, but just ignore it because we want to do some designs on it. It's kind of cover it. But to me, really, my personal preference, I do not care for it. If I do a new set, I usually cut all my natural nails as like all the way down, so I can get fresh. Just in case you do a glass nail, you just don't want. So you can see now it's that getting like really ready and dry, because when I pick up the portions and the bits of the powder I'm just using is really small amounts, and it's really depend on the client's nails growing long, fast. Like some of my clients is growing really fast, their nails growing really fast, some is growing really slow. It's really depends. And when you have a client that's going for like 6 weeks, for instance, it's not considered as a fill anymore. It should be a new set, because it was unbalanced for that long and you don't know if you can able to do a fill on it. So I'm just like separate it out. So try to get the smaller portions, and then if you need more, you can always go back and get more. Just don't try to get rushed. When you do fills, you don't want to do a whole entire big like when you're doing a new set. You're just doing a smaller and get closer to the cuticle, and then just gently is push it a little bit, but you don't want to put it over the cuticle. You can see that I try not to put in my cuticles, because you know why is this the most is common is happened when I was first start doing it a long time ago, and it's all lifting. I don't know why, but then after a while when you start doing it, understand that you put, because I put the acrylic, the powders all over my cuticles. I didn't really notice that because it's so like clear, especially if you're doing a clear or you're doing a natural pink. You can't even tell it unless you're doing a color acrylics, then you can tell a lot of more. But then it's like it took me a while to like start learning with preppings and cleaning after that, so then that way the nail is stop not lifting on me. So let me see if I can file them. You can see that my shape is still coffin, but it's kind of off the precise coffin already, and I'm gonna try to reshape it. You can hear that it's ready for me. It's a little bit off the angles right here. You see I'm holding the file straight. And straight again to get the shape back. Let me dust it off so you can see it. Does that look better now? Yeah, they're the same length now. I'm gonna have to hold it like this so you can see it better. Can you see it? Only bother me is my nails underneath, but it's okay because later we're gonna do a fun designs on it, so it's gonna cover it. We'll make sure we put crystal on it to cover that part.